The ideal sourcing mix is something which should vary based on the age and stage of the company. Age, I mean companies which have startups will require talent of a certain kind, and the stage of maturity of the company also guides the sourcing mix. Employee referrals are a trusted source of recruitment. We need to expand this mix. So the entire theme of actually referrals needs to be expanded from beyond the employees to include those of the stakeholders as well. We at Lava and in Zolo are taking significant steps to enhance these frontiers to include our own partners as well, which means people in the Lava ecosystem. We are actually using them to take inputs for getting at the right kind of sources. This has greatly helped us in actually widening the source pool. Yes, we also use portals and we also use some amount of social media, even though there is a great potential of actually enhancing this. Focused advertising is something which we are also focusing on. It's important to have the picture of the right kind of employee, which will actually determine the right kind of sourcing mix. It's in fact also important that sourcing mix in fact varies with the kind of employees. For example, the entire off-role employees that are there, which comprise a large chunk of the frontline force of any sales and distribution organization. The sourcing mix here is largely dependent on the job hires, the job fairs, the various kinds of placement drives. We are also these days, because of the focus on actually quick deliveries, focusing on having talent which is actually garden fresh and yet completely ready to actually take on the work, which means focus is slightly shifting from campus hiring of freshers to the hiring of laterals from the campus. Now this is greatly, the entire value and the suggestion is greatly added because of the simple recognition of the fact the candidates at the various MBA colleges now have some amount of prior experience, and therefore the number of laterals who are now available for hires has also significantly grown. This is a base which we feel will yield much more higher returns in the future.